Hey y'all, it's me, Kalila, and today y'all, I'm about to go ahead and do a lock count. I'm sitting here, I'm not doing nothing. I'm sitting here watching Insecure, and I'm like, you know what? I'm about to do a lock count. I kind of want to know how many locks I have, and I know y'all want to know how many locks I actually have. I have not done actual lock count since 544. Okay, now let's rewind back. I started at 560 something. Combined, separated, ended up with 580 something. Combined some more. Then I ended up with the 544. That was at, I don't know, 5 months. I don't really remember. I'm 16 months now, and we know since then I done did some more stuff. Okay? So we know I done took these down, did them over, combined some more, lost some, whatever. So I wonder how many I have. I have an estimate. When people ask me, I be like, girl, over 500, girl, around 530. I don't know. I'm assuming I have an estimate. I wrote it down. I'm gonna see if I'm right. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it in some quads, count, write it down, add it up, and see where I'm at. Y'all tell me, comment below where y'all think I'm at. See if y'all number is right before I'm done. So go ahead and comment that below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this little area right here was 69. This is 69, y'all. $69. Let's write that down. All right, that was 65. That was 65. I probably need to go get some more hair ties. Golly. One second, let me get some more hair ties. All right, child, we go do the front. Okay, let's see. So with the front, I'm gonna go ahead and count, I guess, the baby locks that's already out first. So I'm tired, y'all. That was 131. 131, y'all. Okay. $131, 65, 69. All right, let's do the left side. $78. 78. Okay, so I'm assuming this one is going to be less than this one. All right, it's hard to put it on camera. I hope I'm getting it on camera, y'all. Oh, just hit my toe. Well, I was wrong. That was 74. This left side got way more. That was 74. Oof. 74 right here. But it's also could be how I parted the ear to ear. That might not be straight, but whatever. 74, 78 in the back quad. Now this front, I'm not gonna do the whole thing like I did the other side because that was exhausting. I'm gonna need a little minute break. Okay. Okay. All right, so we got 1. 46. And then we're just gonna continue with the top half. And keep counting. So 46, 47. 113. 113. I don't know how. This was 131. This is 113. I'm real tempted to count it over. I'm real tempted to count this side over. Mainly because I felt like I did 50s twice. But I could be wrong. I'm going to count it over off camera. Hold on. Okay, so yep. 113 on this side. Okay. So 113, 74, 78, 65, 69, and 131. So y'all can do the math by y'all head. I don't know. I can't. I'm not about to even try. I'm exhausted now. So let's go and add this up. What? I'm gonna do it over one more time. I just gotta double check my numbers sometimes, y'all. I'm one of them type of people, like, let me do this again. Yeah. So 530. That's what I've been saying. That's funny. That wasn't my guess. My guess was 528. My guess was 528. So, but I've been saying 530, around 530 locks, and that's exactly what I had, 530. So, that was exhausting. That's kind of cool though, because 5 plus 3 is 8, and y'all, 8 is my favorite number, and I think that's why I wanted it to be 528, because I wanted an 8 in it. But 5 plus 3 is 8. I'll take that. So I took a couple of little shots of my hair close up that I'm going to attach to the end. A little quick video, which I'm kind of showing you a little bit now. But every time I try to do a texture video, I can never get, like, the lighting just be all wrong. So I went ahead and added a little texture video that I'm going to add to the end if you like to see it. I'm almost at 16 months, and so it's just going to be a close up of my texture right now and how that's doing and my new growth and stuff like that. So if you want to see that, it's at the end. Thanks for joining me on my lock count. I'm at 530. Let's stay there. Like I said, you really can't even see a difference. But like I said before, I wish I had less, just for the time and how small they are. I wish I would have went a little bit bigger, maybe around 400 and something. But really, since I've started, I can't see a difference from the 560, the 540, the 580, whatever. There's not really a big difference in the volume for me anyway. It definitely would be, I feel like, if it was 4 or something, because they would be a lot bigger and thicker. But anyway, y'all, thanks for joining me. If you have any questions, please remember to leave it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. And anybody number had 530 correct? Leave it in the comments. And until next time, y'all, bye.